I tried making money with AI for 24 hours using just my phone. And what happened shocked me. There are so many videos saying AI can make you money, but most of them don't show real results. So I decided to test it myself. First, I tried using AI to write content and post it online. It was fast, but honestly, I didn't make anything from it. Next, I used AI to generate simple designs and uploaded them to free platforms. It looked promising, but still no money within the first few hours. Then I found something interesting: using AI to create short videos. This actually started getting views almost immediately. After 24 hours, I didn't become rich, but I discovered one method that actually works: creating short content with AI and posting consistently. If you want to make money with AI, don't try everything. Focus on one method and stay consistent.